There are places where the earth feels alive. Mountains breathe, rivers sing, skies dance. In those moments, you realize something amazing. This planet isn't just our home. It's a living miracle. You can feel it in the air, see it in the trees, hear it in the wind. Nature speaks to us. It tells stories of ancient times and whispers secrets of the future. These places are magical. They remind us we are part of something bigger, something beautiful, something worth protecting. So next time you're outside, take a moment. Listen closely. Look carefully. You might just feel the earth come alive. It's a feeling like no other. Don't forget to subscribe for more nature shorts.